Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa. Today we are doing a review, first impressions of the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealers. I got one for a concealer and then one for a bronzer contour-ish. And this comes out, let me see, hold that thought. I really need to get my crap together. So this comes out at Ulta online $11.23 and in-store $12.23, and there are 24 shades. Yes, NYX, keep doing this. I love the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation and all the shades on that, and then 24 concealer shades to start with. Yes, yes. So this is supposed to be full coverage, but transfer proof. Blah, 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 blah. It's matte. It's supposed to last up to 24 hours. So we're seeing if this baby lasts not 24 hours. I'm not going to keep all my makeup on. But we're putting it through a pretty extensive wear test. So if you guys want to see how this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer works for me, keep on watching. So foundation is on and we are going in with 10.3 Neutral Buff. Just by swatching, this is too dark, but we are going to make it work. I really thought that this was my shade, like for sure. I thought actually it may even be a little bit too light. So we are gonna make this work. I'll put on some brightening powder, hopefully, because this baby's dark. I'm going to do one eye at a time just in case it dries super quickly, but this is supposed to be full coverage, so fingers crossed. And I'm just taking my dry EcoTool sponge and we are applying this to the under eyes. But just on that application, it covered really, really nicely, given it is a little bit too dark. Same thing over here. Holy cow, a ton comes out on this applicator. It's kind of a weird one. I definitely put too much on this side. It feels quite heavy, but we will see. So it blended out super nice, and I don't think the coverage, like my favorite right now is the Urban Decay All Nighter. And I also have the Huda Beauty one. I like those far better than Shape Tape. It creases horribly under my eyes, so I'm not much on it. But I would say this is, gosh, I don't want to say it's full coverage. Probably if you used a brush, but it has, I would say, high, medium to low full coverage. It does cover nicely. But it is creasing here on this side. That's probably my fault because I put too much on this side. But it looks really good. It is definitely still tacky. It's transferring. So I am not sure that it's going to set down on its own. Now I also got the shade Mahogany, and this is 16. We're going to try to contour with this. Or bronze. One or the other, because I'm not sure about the color. Wish my hair was out of the way. That would be great. Okay. I'm going to use the same sponge. Just start blending. This looks warmer on camera. I can see that. It's definitely still a warm shade, but it's not as warm as it's looking on camera. That also blended out really nicely. And let's go over to this side. I'm kind of applying it in the shape that I would have normally apply my bronzer. So I kind of go at an angle. Ooh, and that went down way too far. We'll have to clean that up a little bit. A little bit on the forehead. And I'm going to switch to a brush with this one. it might work a little bit better for us on the forehead. I think it looks pretty good. Like, I'm shocked. All right, then I'm gonna grab the concealer and add a little bit below that. And then go back in with my brush. Just to clean up those edges, because I definitely went down too far. We are looking good. So I'm really liking all this. I'm going to set it quickly. I'm gonna throw a little bit of banana powder under my eyes to try to brighten it up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what we are looking like. So I actually like the way that it looks, just kind of my skin tone. I don't know, I like it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a wear test on it. I'm actually headed over to Ulta to get the James Charles Morphe palette. Super excited about that. And we actually had a snow day today, so me and my youngin are gonna head over to Lexington, which is where Ulta is. It's about an hour away, and we're just gonna make a little bit of a day of it. So once I get back, we'll do, I don't know why my bra strap is showing on, I don't know, but we'll just overlook it. But yes, once I get back, we will do a check-in again, and we'll see exactly how it looks and then my final thoughts. So I'll see you guys in just a second. Okay guys, so it has been about 10 hours. And let me see, I literally went to go take my makeup off. I had started playing with this big guy right here, and so I went to go wash everything off, and I was like, wait, yeah, I need to wrap up this video, huh? Like I said, it's been about 10 hours. Overlook my eyes because I had already started, you know, taking all that off, but I didn't touch down here. Okay, so what I notice is it looks pretty dry, like pretty dry. So if you have dry under eyes, I don't think that this is the best option for you. But at the price point and where there are so many shades, I think it's a good deal. I absolutely will use this again. But is it something that I'm just in awe over? Is it game changing? No, absolutely not. It's just, it's good. Like, I'm just kind of impartial to it. I'll use it because I have it. Like, I probably wouldn't repurchase it. I think that this wore really well, though, as like a bronzer. But I don't normally liquid or cream bronze or contour very much. I'm so sorry that I'm not just like, it's great or it's awful. It's just kind of one of those products where it's like, meh. It's good, you know, but it's not a bad product at all. So like I said, if you want a drugstore concealer, this one does work. If you have dry under eyes, I wouldn't recommend it. It is not transfer proof like they say it's supposed to be. I definitely had to set this, otherwise I could touch it and it would come right off. Hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I hope you subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.